Hello and welcome to another episode of Low Tech Health. Let ourselves translate expert knowledge. Making some coffee up in here. Today is Wasabi, Walnut, What's Hurting My Tummy Wednesday, and we are perceiving healthcare in a new light. Waking up. What if when you went to your doctor, you had to play a game? You had to play a game of how well have you been lately? And based off of how well you've been, how much water you've been drinking, how well you've been eating, how often you've been exercising, you get to move forward. You get a badge. You get to, I was going to say catch more Pokemon, but you don't get to catch any Pokemon yet. What if we thin people were catching Pokemon and all you fat people didn't know about it? What if on Wasabi Walnut, What's Hurting My Tummy Wednesday, we reveal that? And we're catching Pokemon, and we're on like level 50. And as soon as you drink some water, eat well, and exercise, you can get to like level 10. You can catch Pokemon with us. Now, isn't that crazy? What if that is how you viewed your life? Is how exciting it could be to be healthy instead of a burden of taking care of yourself? Because again, if you've been working towards your disease process, there's not a whole lot we can do with inpatient hospital admission other than tell you. We can tell you you're sick as fuck. There's not a whole lot we can do. And then the worst thing is when you take it upon yourself to just self-deprecate to the point of calling yourself a fighter and saying, you're not going to give up. You're going to fight this disease. It's not your fault that you got it. It is already done that you got a tumor the size of a grapefruit. And you can't whip it out. You can't just slice it out because it's a part of you. It is you. It's not that you have cancer. You are cancer in a little bit. You made it. You worked on it. You fed it sugar. You kept it alive like a little animal. And sometimes it was your gene's choice. It wasn't even something you did. And it's not your fault. Because once it's done, it's done. And you don't need to beat yourself up and your family into making you feel inferior by acting like you should have been able to fight it. The perception is your Pokemon were not strong enough. You didn't train them well enough. You didn't take the time to teach them about life. You don't take the time to teach each part of your body as if it were a Pokemon what life is about. Teach your hands. They're meant to try to stay clean. They're your connection, the physical world, to your mind, and everything you reach for has an impact. And if you are just reaching for something to sustain you, food, you're not doing the right thing. You're not drinking water, eating well, you're not exercising. You don't get to catch Pokemon. All right, this is ridiculous. Thank y'all for listening. I'm wrapping up Wasabi Walnut. What's hurting my tummy Wednesday because I'm acting a little bit crazy. Love you guys. See you Friday. I'm freaking my foul mouth Friday. I hope you see you then.